Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Stargate Finance project and the ways you can invest or earn crypto passive income through contributing liquidity and staking. We're going to come back to their website in a second here, stargate.finance. Go over here to CoinMarketCap, do a quick review. They're currently at 58 cents. Their token was launched in March of 2022. Just after the launch in April, they reached $4.14. You can purchase this token, STG token, at leading exchanges, including Binance, KuCoin, Kraken. You can swap for it on Uniswap. And so who are the founders of Stargate Finance? Well, they were built by Layer Zero Labs. This is a protocol or project that is looking to connect multiple crypto networks to interoperate with each other. So if you want to do a little bit more research, you can come over here, layerzero.network. So we head over to Token Terminal and take a look at some of their statistics. So there's their market cap, their total value locked, $366 million. Over the last 30 days, they've collected $1.75 million of fees. It's down almost 13%. Annualized fees, $21.29 million, up 12.5%. Look at the transfer volume, $41.22 billion, up almost 17%. Their treasury has around 211 million. Active daily users over a 30-day average is around 50,000 users. Not too bad. So if we go check on them on X, aka Twitter, you can reach them at Stargate Finance. You want to go follow them. They had some recent news. They announced a deployment into a new ecosystem, Base. Base is the L2 created by Coinbase. So now you can get access to USDC and ETH liquidity on the Base mainnet. So if you want to do a little bit more research, go check that out. All right, so let's head over to their docs section. What is this project? Well, you might have already figured it out, but they are a community-driven organization building the first composable native asset bridge and first DApp built on Layer Zero. If you're not familiar with Layer Zero, it's basically an interoperability protocol that connects different blockchains to immediately validate the cross-chain, overcoming the challenge of liquidity fragmentation, creating a pathway and platform for proper communication between separate blockchain networks. So this is the future, in my opinion. Obviously, the user experience in crypto is below satisfactory, and a lot of development teams are trying to fix that. So in the near distant future, when you interacting with a protocol, you might be accessing liquidity and using different networks, and you're not even realizing it. So their vision is to make cross-chain liquidity transfer a seamless single transaction process. So who is using Stargate? Well, it's generally used by DEXs. They'll integrate that within their protocol. And these cross-chain swaps are supported by the community-owned Stargate Unified Liquidity Pools. And we're going to get into investing in some of these LPs in just a second. So what makes Stargate different? Well, they have this instant guaranteed finality, basically referring to a transaction or process that is immediately and irrevocably completed without any possibility of reversal or change. So if we head back over to CoinMarketCap and we go over here, it says, what makes Stargate unique? Well, they discuss the pre-existing cross-chain bridges. I know we recently experienced the multi-chain bridge hack, and these existing bridges use what's called fractured liquidity, which requires separate pools for tokens that will pass over the bridge. Stargate has eliminated this. They have this lock plus mint and burn plus redeem mechanism. The mechanism essentially burns the token at source. So wherever, let's say you have ETH, it's a source. You want to transfer over to AVAX. That's the destination blockchain. So it burns it at the source and mints new ones at the destination blockchain. They're providing this instant guaranteed finality and unified liquidity. So they call this mechanism the Delta algorithm. So we head back over here. So when you're swapping the native assets. That's a feature here. You're not swapping wrapped versions, and you don't have to unwrap them to swap. You have unified liquidity. So this is a feature here where they share within a single liquidity pool across multiple chains, created deeper liquidity for users and applications. All right, so how do we make crypto passive income? Let's go over here to their D app or their website. So if we want to go over here to transfer, take a look. So I really like this protocol or this website. It's smooth. You don't have to work hard to switch accounts or go on different networks. So right now I have an account. Let's go in here. Has $16 in ETH on Arbitrum and $1.51 on Arbitrum USDT. So let's say I wanted to transfer Ethereum on Arbitrum over to Ethereum on Base. There we go. So I would be receiving just a little bit less than what I have. You pay a little bit of gas fees. Gas fees are very minimal. You would need, obviously, additional ETH in your wallet to pay for that gas, but look at that, 35 cents. That's not bad. All right, so if we look a little bit more, look how many assets they have in here. So lots of assets on multiple chains. All right, so if we head over here to pool, like I said, I like this protocol because it automatically grabs whatever you have in your wallet and it puts them here nice and clean. So you don't have to be going into MetaMask. Where's my assets? What can I invest? It automatically pops it up here. So if we look, I have ETH on Arbitrum. If we scroll down, ETH on Arbitrum, the 7-day volume is $55 million. The volume over the last 24 hours is just over 7 million. And they have 6.6 million in liquidity. So you can do a little bit more research on the different pools and see where you have money and where you want to invest. So by adding liquidity to this protocol, you're going to earn stable coin rewards on every Stargate transfer. So anybody that's transferring and paying fees by bridging their assets over to different chains, you are going to receive a portion of those fees, similar to investing in liquidity pools and receiving passive income from traders swapping within those pools. So liquidity providers can also farm their LP tokens in the farming here to receive STG token rewards. So, and then you can go in and stake those STG tokens to earn more rewards. So if we head over here to farming, you can do a little bit more research on the chains. If we look here, USDT on Ethereum is paying about 7.5%. Ethereum on ETH is paying 5.7%. So you can do a little bit more research. So once you invest your liquidity, you start earning stable coin rewards. And as you're farming, you're receiving the STG token, which you can invest. You can invest for a minimum of 1 month up to 3 years. There's the current APY, 20.87%. The total STG locked looks like 42.5 million. Once you stake your STG tokens, you're going to receive this VE STG, which gives you the ability to vote and become a part of the protocol. So you have voting power, VESTG, and you can look at various other tokens in this protocol. All right, so that's how you make crypto passive income with the Stargate Finance project. Fairly simple, straightforward, very clean. If we head over here to Uniswap, if you want to invest further, let's say you bought a bunch of STG tokens, you can come over here to pools, click on top pools, and if we search for STG, there's the Stargate token. Looks like there's just under 500,000 in total value locked. If we click on it again up here, there's the pool volume, 260,000 over 24 hours, just over 500,000 in total value locked. And you can look at more of the pools here. It looks like that's the biggest one. So if you wanted to invest in the STG ETH pool on Arbitrum, you'd be earning fees the last 24 hours, $780 in fees generated from traders swapping. So that's an additional way to make crypto passive income with the STG token. All right, so those various ways to earn with the Stargate Finance project. Obviously, there's risk in investing. You've seen hacks recently. and nothing's guaranteed. You want to continue to do more research, do more due diligence. But I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be safe with your investing. Take care.